Hello and welcome to the Average Coder community. In this C# tutorial, we are going to talk about interfaces. Alright, so now we are going to talk about interface. So what is an interface? It's kind of similar to abstract methods, and basically interface is abstract class. So due to this thing, you may reserve names of different functions. So pay attention, you can't create different fields or variables inside of the interface. You can only include functions, and if you do this with interface inherited, then you have to define each of this function inside of this class. And when you are creating this class, then pay attention. So if you want to create a class and include inside of it methods that are part of the interface, then you're going to do it like it. So animal, dog, basically interface type, and then the class that inherited this interface. And if we run it, then we're going to end up with 10, because in dog constructor we put inside of the weight 10 value of 10. So yep, as you may see, we have 10. And one more thing about interfaces, that dogs that inherits class that inherits interface have to define all of the interface functions. So as you saw, when I uncommented this line, then we have a mistake, because this class doesn't define this method. So if I comment it back, then we run it again and everything works just fine. So that's all for this tutorial, and thank you for your time. So if you like this video, then don't forget to hit subscribe button and don't forget about notification bell. See ya, bye!